Welcome in part C of our lecture 11. Smart Quality Objectives. Quality objectives should be SMART. It means SMART. SMART means S stand for specific, M stand for measurable, A stand for attainable, and R for realistic, and T for timely. When your objective will be SMART, you will get the result. Example 1. Reduce process rejection from 3.0% to 2.75% till September 30, 2022 and then gradually reduce. Example 2. Reduce customer complaints from 1.2% to 1.0% till September 2022 and then gradually reduce. Example 3. Reduce machine idle hour from average 20 hours per quarter to 17 hours per quarter till September 2022 and then gradually reduce. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. Example 4. Reduce machine idle hours from average 20 hours per quarter to 17 hours per quarter till September 2022 and then gradually reduce. Example 5. Reduce employees turnover from average 9% per quarter to 7 per quarter till September 2022 and then gradually reduce. Example 6. Reduce AOQL from 2.0% to 1.75% till September 30, 2022 and then gradually reduce. AOQL stand for average outgoing quality limits. Example 7. Increase management development HR rating through at least one high profile training till September 30, 2022 and then gradually increase. Thank you very much for watching this video.